Good morning, Red Arrow, and happy Friday. Today for lunch we are having cheese bread with sauce, and let's see what birthdays we have today.
And we have a few birthdays to celebrate this weekend. Happy birthday today, March 4th, to Destiny Davis Russell and Reed Gardner Moore. And happy birthday on Sunday, March 6th, to Braden Rios Hernandez. All of you enjoy your birthdays and come on down to the office for your birthday pencil.
For our announcements, we have a few. First off, thank you for your patience. There's nothing worse when your computer says no memory and it can't record your videos. So just so you all know, I filled my computer up again. Now we're empty. So today we have an all-school recess at 1:40 to 2 o'clock. So everybody, DK through second grade, will all be at recess at the same time. And that way we can all have our assembly at 2:15. And that assembly is the kickoff for March's Reading Month. Even though we've already started the month, we need to go back and make up the assembly we missed last Friday for the snow day. And so we have some cool activities planned and some fun things. And that assembly, once more, will start at 2:15. Teachers, please wait in your classrooms until you hear the announcement. We will call you down in groups so we can control the traffic in the hallways and make sure everyone's ready to go. Mrs. Larson is out today. Mr. Wilmer is out today. And Mrs. Canyu is out today. So just so everyone's aware, we do have a guest in for Mrs. Canyu. Mrs. Steinbrook is here today. I do not have guest teachers in for Mr. Wilmer or Mrs. Larson. So we will limp along with that, and thank you for your understanding. Two shout-outs for today. The first one goes to Mrs. Potter's Olders, and I understand that they won the Some Dog Daily Contest on Wednesday, March 2nd. So that was Dr. Seuss's birthday. So way to go, Mrs. Potter's Olders. Way to hit that Some Dog. I was in a meeting last night with our school board and the other principals, and I got a chance to talk about how much Some Dog does to help our schools. And so I wish I'd have known this, because I could have even told them this last night. But I told them how much we work with Some Dog and how hard you guys all work and how much it helps us understand and learn our math. So thank you for proving me right. We have a shout out also to Mr. Vatz's and Miss Kelly's classes. And this one comes from our cooks in the lunchroom. And they let us know that you guys always say thank you to the cooks when they're serving lunches and taking care of your cards and all those things. So I want to say thank you to all of you in Mr. Vatz's and Miss Kelly's class for being so kind and being so respectful. It makes people feel better when you tell them thank you, and they really sure appreciate knowing that you think they're doing a good job. So thank you for being so kind and good citizens. Whew, I think that's everything that I've got. Let's check in with Mrs. Hall to see what's happening at Red Arrow.
Mr. Vatz posed a question to his second grade students. He asked them, if you were a dragon, what would you do?
If I was a dragon, I would breathe fire and crush cars.
If I were a dragon, I would fly and breathe fire or ice.
If I was a dragon, I would be mean and I'll freeze people. This is what I would do if I was a dragon. I would fly and breathe fire.
You have to speak into the microphone.
If I was a dragon, I would fly around the world and I would practice my fire breath in my cave. If I was a dragon, I'll breathe ice and I'll fly. If I were a dragon, I would breathe ice and then fly.
I would do if I was a dragon. I'll burn a city tower and fly everywhere.
If I were a dragon, I would be fire and fly.
If I was a dragon, I would take people's gold and burn down villages.
If I was a dragon, I will fly and freeze people and then fly around the world.
If I were a dragon, I would burn every city If I were a dragon, I would turn the ground into ice.
Dragon, I would breathe fire all over the place. And battle other dragons.
Thank you, Mrs. Hall and Mr. Vats. What a good question. So now I'm wondering, what would you do if you were a dragon? I am thinking that breathing fire thing would be pretty cool, and I'd love to be able to fly around. It'd be so much faster getting around than walking or even driving my car. So good question today. And let's go ahead now and please stand for the pledge.
And now from Mr. Evick's class to help us with the pledge, we have
Brooklyn.
Cole.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, pledge helpers. That was a great job, and everyone have a great day, learners.